Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass jar from Dollar Tree, as well as this candle holder from Hobby Lobby. I removed the lid from the glass jar and paint that with linen colored chalk paint by Folkart. I also paint that candle holder. You can definitely use one of the candle holders from Dollar Tree. That would work just fine. I give both of these a couple of coats, dry them, and then put on some antique wax onto both of them, giving it a bit of distressing. And then add on a coat of this matte varnish by Waverly. That'll give it a good seal so the paint won't chip. Next, I'm taking these carrots also from Dollar Tree and adding some antique wax to them as well, just so they weren't so bright orange. And then I'm taking this ceramic bunny from Dollar Tree and painting that with Plaster color chalk paint. And that's by Waverly. I know it's already white, but I wanted it to have the paint finish on there, not so much of the ceramic. And then add some Spanish moss into the glass jar and add in the carrots. And then place back on the lid. Then I'm taking a little twine bow and adding that to the top of that ceramic bunny where that hole is, trimming up the tails. And then I take some Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue and place that on the bottom of the bunny and add that to the top of the lid. Next, I'm taking these clear stamps and stamp block that I got from Dollar Tree and stamping on bunny bait onto this little tag I have. I then add on some twine to the tag. I just loop it through and then I add an extra knot in there so it hangs down a little bit lower when I tie it on around the glass jar. And then the last thing I do is I'm using the candle holder upside down so the base is a bit wider. And then add Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue and place the glass jar onto the candle holder. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.